Breaking news tonight, a viral video sparking outrage. Police officers accused of planting evidence during a roadside spot check. And also breaking tonight, another deadly police encounter in the corporate area. A man shot and killed on Whitehall Avenue, as Indicom investigates 2 fatal incidents in just one day. And a suspect in last week's Rose Gardens drive-by shooting killed tonight, as residents mourn one of the victims. Plus, horror in Manchester. A man and his dog were fatally wounded. Overseas, tragedy in South Africa. A bus plunges off a mountain pass, killing at least 42. We'll have the heartbreaking details and the desperate rescue effort still underway. And later, where is Jayden Smith? The growing social media movement demanding answers tonight. Jamaica News Page tonight is powered by viewers like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for subscribing. Jamaica News Page tonight starts now. A viral video is raising eyebrows across Jamaica tonight. It shows members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force conducting a vehicle spot check under controversial circumstances. It's unclear when or where the video was recorded, but it shows police officers searching a motor vehicle while being filmed by its occupants. During the search, one of the officers is seen retrieving what appears to be a magazine, which the occupants allege was not in the car before. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has declined to comment on the matter. Breaking news tonight. A man was fatally shot by the police at a premises along Whitehall Avenue in St. Andrew this afternoon. The identity of the deceased has not yet been released. This marks the second police fatal shooting reported in Jamaica today. Earlier, Indicom was called to a separate fatal police shooting on Maiden Street in Kingston East, where Joshua Southey Lawrence was killed. Police have confirmed that Lawrence was a suspect in last week's deadly drive-by shooting on Text Lane in central Kingston.
Joshua Lawrence, otherwise called Southey, was shot and killed by the police during an intelligence-led operation on Monday, 13th of October 2025 at number 28 Maiden Street, Kingston 16. This criminal suspect was regarded as a top-tier member and main shooter for the Welly gang operating out of Eastern Kingston. It should be noted also that Southey was also wanted by the Kingston Eastern Police in regards to other serious crimes, including the murder of a Crown witness in a case before the court, Miss Lisa Harris, who was killed along Bray Street, Kingston 16, in July of 2025. We will continue to pursue all the remaining suspects regarding this particular matter, and we know that they know who they are, and we are urging them to report to the police at the Kingston Central CIB no later than 6 p.m. tomorrow, Tuesday, 14th of October, 2025.
In the meantime, police have confirmed that a 17-year-old disabled teen who was shot during the drive-by attack on Text Lane last week Tuesday has died. Superintendent Beresford Williams, head of the Kingston Central Police Division, says the teenager was pronounced dead at Kingston Public Hospital over the weekend. Coming up, horror in Manchester. A man and his dog were fatally wounded. What police believe may have led to the attack. And still ahead, where is Jayden Smith? The growing social media movement demanding answers tonight. You're watching Jamaica News Page tonight. News powered by viewers like you. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay informed. We're back in 30 seconds. Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. We have a breaking news update. Another man connected to the recent mass murder in Commodore St. Catherine has been killed in a confrontation with police. Dead is Fabian Robinson, otherwise called Creech Owl. According to the police, an intelligence-led operation in Linstead led to a shootout over the weekend. Robinson was reportedly armed and opened fire at officers, who returned the fire. When the shooting ended, Robinson was found with gunshot wounds and later pronounced dead. Police recovered a firearm and ammunition. This brings to 3 the number of men killed by police since the Commodore massacre, which left 5 people dead and 4 injured. A shocking double killing has rocked the quiet rural district of Canewood in Manchester. The victims, 39-year-old Cheyenne Shane Young and his dog, were found with multiple chop wounds along a roadway Sunday night. Residents made the gruesome discovery and called the police. Young was pronounced dead at hospital. Investigators have not yet established a motive. Coming up, where is Jayden Smith? The growing social media movement demanding answers tonight.
I am Anne-Marie Thompson, the guardian of Jayden, the missing child. We did Jayden nothing. What happened to Jayden? We have no idea what happened to Jayden.
You're watching Jamaica News Page tonight. News powered by viewers like you. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay informed. We're back in 30 seconds. Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. Social media users are demanding answers tonight after Manchester High student Jayden Smith is still missing for over 2 weeks.
To be honest with you, I do not want to put it out there, but I think the family knows more than what they're saying. Because how could you have a child who is very intelligent, knows right from wrong, and just get up and decide to go live in the bushes? That makes no sense. I think because the baby that they said that got his hips or foot broke by Jayden when Jayden was playing with him, I think they either hit on Jayden and something happened to him, or they told him not to come back to the house or something. But for Jayden to just get up like that, very intelligent boy who received so many awards at his school for being number 1, just get up and went to live in the bush, makes no sense to me.
Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. Jayden auntie said there is no way she would put her grandchild over Jayden, who is her nephew. Jayden auntie, your grandpitney are 2-year-old, right? Your grandchild is 2 years old. And me want to ask that question here. Your grandchild are 2-year-old. And you don't feel no way at all. See your little grandpitney foot broke by Jayden.
Jayden's story has captured the attention of an entire nation, united in one hope, to find him safe. He's described as having a dark complexion, slim build, about 5 feet tall, and was last seen wearing his khaki uniform and brown shoes. Anyone with information on Jayden Smith's whereabouts is urged to contact the Alligator Pond Police at 876-224-3113, the police hotline at 119, or the nearest police station. Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. Tragedy in South Africa tonight. At least 42 people are dead after a bus plunged down a steep embankment on a mountain pass near Lewis Trichard. Officials say 49 others were injured, several critically. The victims include men, women, and 7 children, many of them Zimbabwean and Malawian nationals heading home. President Cyril Ramaphosa expressed condolences, calling the crash a painful tragedy during Transport Month. Rescue efforts continued late into the night. Also overseas, a major development in the Middle East. U.S. President Donald Trump declared the Gaza war over following a ceasefire brokered between Israel and Hamas. As part of the agreement, Hamas released the last 20 living Israeli hostages, while Israel freed nearly 2,000 Palestinian prisoners. That's Jamaica News Page tonight. I'm Marvin Samuels. Thank you for the privilege of your time. Please click to subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay informed and updated. Have a good night.